have often been excluded from clinical trials, even though we know that here in Canada, approximately half of all children will require at least one prescription medication each year. This means that doctors and nurses have to rely on data generated in adults to choose what medications they will prescribe. We know that children are not just small adults, and that cutting the adult dosage simply doesn't cut it. Children respond to medicines differently. They also have unique conditions that we don't see in the adult population. We need clinical trials to be able to tell us which medications will work best for them. iPCT stands for Innovation in Pediatric Clinical Trials. It's a national initiative working to change the way that we conduct clinical trials with children here in Canada, the goal being to develop better medicines for children.
We have to do a lot more studies in the pediatric population to change care, and so by having these trials that have a little bit of innovative approach to them will hopefully improve that access of children to clinical trials. We're hoping the iPCT trials will make things a little more efficient for pediatric research, bring more exposure to pediatric research, increase how much research we're actually doing.
The project is being led here out of the Children's Hospital Research Institute of Manitoba and the George and Fahey Centre for Healthcare Innovation. It also involves 5 other pediatric emergency departments and 7 other pediatric research institutes. Our project team spans across 4 provinces, from Ontario, Quebec, Manitoba, and Alberta.